Alright guys, so what I've got today is I just want to show the third function valve that we've got attached to our Kubota M5700. I don't see one of these currently out there. So this is M5700 with an LA1002 loader, and what we wanted to do was attach this grapple bucket that we have and use that, be able to use that top thumb, if you will, to pick up brush and things. And I got a video coming out after this, and we'll show you kind of how it works. It works really good. So with this loader, this is a WR long kit from Everything Attachments, and make sure we're in focus here. I didn't see exactly what it takes to get this set up. There is a question out there. I had it quite a bit. Talked to the dealerships, and I even had one dealership tell us that you couldn't set this up in this way. So I just want to kind of clear some of that up. If you're looking to get one of these third function valves, just so simple, and hopefully this will take out some of the confusion that could be out there. So all you do here and one thing that you will have to know is what cover you have. This is the black plastic cover. Some of the models might have a some of the models I think has an orange or a metal cover. So this is so simple, and it won't take long. But all you do is you have this port right here, which normally runs to the back of the tractor, and you just disconnect that, and you move this over to let me see which one it is. So this is the line right here on the bottom of the third function valve that would normally be connected to the loader valve. So it's very simple, very simple. You just disconnect this line right here from it's the beyond port, power beyond port. Take that, the one that's currently attached or originally attached, and it will move to the bottom of your third function valve. And then there's a hose supplied in the kit, and it attaches here and to the bottom side of your valve right here on the back side. So it's very simple, and then all you have to do is hook up a 12-volt power supply to it. We need to get this tie wrapped up a little bit better, but we've been using it, and it works pretty good. We just ran this along inside the hood. Let's see, yeah, you can see it down there. We just ran that along up to the battery and put an I-splice on it. Okay, so then the kit comes with this new handle. Get that in focus there, and I'll go around the other side. We can see the button. Okay, so right here, this is the new handle from WR Long, and it's got just a toggle, so you just press and hold it, and that'll open and close whichever way you set the valve up. So it is configurable depending on how you hook the hoses up. So that's it on the and then you just tie wrap the wire down the stick. Okay, so now to the attachment side. Just like on your loader hoses, you've got the quick connects here. So if you want to remove the loader, you obviously want to be able to do that. So there's quick connects. What we did was we alternated, so we could know which one's up and down, and we could always have them hooked the same way. So that's what we did here. This is, I think this is the male side, female on the valve, and then just the opposite on the other one. This doesn't come in the kit. This is a fire hose that we used, fire hose we cut to just give us some protection, and then we ran those hoses up along the loader. Also in the kit comes this with a bracket here, and that hooks your valve up right there, mounts your valve to the loader. Okay, so on the front of the tractor, you can see that yellowish hose there, and the lines were tie wrapped. And normally the kit from Everything Attachments doesn't come with this bracket, but there was a mix-up in our order, and we had to actually get a different kit sent out for some reason. But once we got the right kit, everything went really smooth and fitted up. So this doesn't come in the kit. We've got these flat face connectors because we use this front attachment on a different piece of equipment. So that's why we put these front faces on here. So in the kit you wouldn't have this bracket. This was sent to us by accident, and we had already had it attached when we found out. So it's easy to make though. It's just a piece of flat bar, drill holes, and then we kind of welded it onto the loader. Makes it easy to attach your hoses in and out. And then of course we got the attachment hose here, goes up to the front grapple. Alright, so we'll just show the operation here. So we can open it, we can raise it and lower it and tilt it all at the same time. That's the beauty of having the third function, to be able to do that. Otherwise, if you hooked it to the back of your, if you had your remote hoses, you could hook it up there, but then you'd have to have your hand off to the side. And obviously if you're picking up brush, it's always better to be on the stick, on the joystick, to tilt and raise and lower. And in the next video I'll show that we kind of have to maneuver it all ways. I'm not saying that it wouldn't be doable, but it's nice to have it like this. So, alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for that next video. Thanks.